Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can connect Nova to BullX Neo. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're going to do is, first of all, you make sure that you have set up and registered on your Nova itself. You have your registered Nova account. Going to the Telegram setup, you have done it, and once you have done that, you're going to access your BullX. And once you're done with your setup here in the BullX, you're gonna go ahead and go to the connect and registration as well and open it up. Once you're registered, you will open your BullX over here. Then you're gonna go ahead and add in an extension, and that extension would be the Nova itself. Once you have Nova extension added on your BullX, when you're trying to do a transaction which is specifically allows the Nova trading bot to be used, it will appear in a purple box where you will be able to use the extension as well as the option on BullX itself to do the trading process over there. So all it does is having access in both of the trading bots and having them as an extension in BullX. That way you will be able to use it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.